This world demands so much of you that we think your shower shouldn't. That's why at Jaquar, we are constantly striving to make products that give you a seamless shower experience. Jaquar shower trays, your own little shower island, where we have already taken care of all the headaches your regular tile bathroom floor gives you. Jaquar welcomes you into a whole new world of bathroom designs where we believe comfort is what you deserve. Leakage and seepage are usual in buildings and apartments that lead to issues like peeling off of paints, fungi formation, and in some cases, corrosion to the reinforcement steel. Leakage through bathrooms usually affects the ceiling of the flat below. With its matchless multi-layered build, Jaquar tray achieves the perfect solidity to counter the leakage and seepage issues of your bathroom floor. The dual layer makes for a weather shield surface with a premium look. This means strength, style, and durability. There is no compromise on any front. Accidents in the bathroom are among the most common and most serious injuries. People who are unsteady on their feet, like elderly and children, are in the high-risk groups. So Jaquar offers a new generation of shower trays that has high skid-resistant surface to ensure maximum comfort and safety during showers by reducing the risk of accidents. Shower water which drains slowly or doesn't drain at all is a sure sign of a clogged shower drain. A serious drain blockage may even result in developing leaks as standing water may seep through shower joints. So we have introduced a new edge drainage system with dirt protective, easy to clean traps integrated with Jaquar shower tray. This advanced 3-layered waste outlet ensures water tightness and guarantees there is no leakage. Jaquar shower trays embodies our relentless pursuit to blend design and quality. Whatever you have in mind, we have got you covered. Jaquar shower trays, a seamless shower experience with your peace of mind built in.